We're not gonna be able to turn.
Oh my gosh, look at all these fences.
Oh my god. Can I make a phone call yet?
Oh jeez, I did not know it was this bad. I was
Holy
like chilling.
cow. Look at that. Look at that. What is that from? All this metal.
They had a tree house back there.
Their house is jacked up. Oh my god. Their car is all jacked. Oh my god. This is so scary.
Oh, it was over here?
Yeah,
It's like in the apartments right here?
Go left and go out, let me see it, and then turn back in.
I didn't know it was like in the apartments.
Their whole roof is missing over there, part of it. Hey. Dude, Green Acres place is jacked up. Tornado. Oh my god.
Go down here. No, try.
Awful. It's okay. It hit like half of our neighborhood and it didn't hit our house. It didn't get yours either. It didn't go that far.
What are these people doing? Wait, I want to talk to JP. If he's still out here. Nah, he's not. Aaron says that we have electricity now.
Like so messed up. Their roof shingles are everywhere.
Like we turned on one of the street.
Oh, their fence got blown down right there.
Talking about